Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I just found another one, another lithium-ion battery stock here on Robinhood. So you can get this on any major exchange. Ticker LICY. This is LICY. Here's a look at what they've done over the last year. So it's just been kind of up and down in the 10 to 14 range. 12 took a dip, actually down to the $8 range. Oh, actually below $8, and just kind of up and down all over the place with this one. In the last 3 months, it's up over 42%. In the last month, down over 4%. In the last week, pretty decent week, up over 6%. And here's a look at Friday. Not too bad. Kind of started off, ran up, ended just a little bit higher than it started in the morning here, so 1191 to. So this one's kind of all over the place, but just wanted to point this one out. They engage in lithium-ion battery resource recovery and lithium-ion battery recycling in North America. Company was founded by AJ so-and-so and in 2016. Volume on Friday, 664,000. Average is just over 1 million, with a $1.96 billion market cap, a 52-week low of 769 and a high of 1574. Great ratings on this one, 89%. And here's a look at their next earnings on January 10th. And I've talked about all these on the channel here before: QuantumScape, ChargePoint, Lucid, and EVgo. Probably due for an updated video on all of those. So over here on Bing, showing LICY as a buy with an upside to $15. LICY Holdings Corp forecast to rise 17.2% to reach consensus target price. And this is a little bit older article, but it's just talking about the set to hit the target price, and we'll see if it does. The stock price is down 26.73% off of a 52-week high of 1574 and 38.08% above the 52-week low of 769. 3-month trading volume is 1.87 million shares. Here's some trade information on this one, and we'll go over some more ratings here towards the end of the video. LICY Holdings rallies 3.2% this week, taking 1-year gains to 23%, and this is dated on the 9th. A diverse portfolio of stocks will always have winners and losers, but if you're going to beat the market overall, you need to have individual stocks that outperform LICY. LICY has done well over the last year, with the stock up over 23%, beating the market return of 22%. Not including dividends. We'll need to follow LICY Holdings for a while to get a better sense of its share price trend, since it hasn't been listed for so. Given that LICY Holdings didn't make a profit in the last 12 months, we'll focus on revenue growth to form a quick revenue of the business development. Shareholders and unprofitable companies usually expect strong revenue growth. Some companies are willing to postpone profitability to grow revenue faster, but in that case, does not expect good top-line growth. Over the last 12 months, revenue has grown 471%. So this is a growing company. It's a smaller company. So if you're looking to get into this one, I would just... I haven't bought any of this one yet. Will definitely be a long-term for me. So here's the revenue in blue, earnings in green. Different perspective. Shareholders have gained 23% over the 12 months, which isn't far from the market return of 23%. So again, a smaller company. If I were to buy into this one, it would definitely be a long-term hold. Is LICY Holdings worth a patient look at the current prices? Traded shares stood at 0.66 million during the last session. At the close of the trading, the stock's price was $11.99 to imply an increase of 1.18% or 14 cents in intraday trading. LICY shares were a 52-week high, remains $15.74, putting it down 31.28%, down since the peak, but still an impressive 35.86% since price per share fell to the 52-week low of $7.69. So, like I said, if you're looking at this one, again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. You just have to do your own due diligence and just keep buying the dip and dollar cost average into this one if you're looking to get into it. Here on StockTwits, currently at $11.99, 52-week low of $7.69, high of $15.74, with a $1.96 billion market cap. It's probably went up and down above $2 billion a couple times. Bears call on netting a 16.41 gain over 2 weeks. So betting on it going down, looks like. Just did a video on KULR and Freyr. So kind of a battery night here on the channel on Sunday night. This stock is a hidden gem, so and over here on Tip Ranks, currently at $11.99, with a strong buy in this one with a 30.69% upside to $15.67, high of 18, low of 14. So can't beat that. It's a pretty decent return. But that's all I have on this one. If you have any more information on this one to share, go ahead and list that in the comments. And if you have this one, go ahead and list it. What your cost basis is, that'd be interesting to know. And if there's any other battery, lithium, EV stocks out there you want me to take a look at and cover, I'd be happy to do that for you as well. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.